Hello, good morning, and my hometown. The chicken inside at my home. Green grass. Yeah, listen, listen. Yeah, many. Ooh, wow, many chicken. Croak, 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 croak. The mother of chicken. The mother of chicken. The mother of chicken. Yeah. We are happy and stay in the countryside. Yeah, I have some chicken at my home, and we are lovely, so lovely. My chicken, very love. Two chicken, this one hen and one rooster, but the black one, and they help the girl, help the hen to lay the egg. Wow, very smart. Whoa, big eggs. And she want to lay the egg. She want to lay the egg. Very good chicken. Very good, very. At my hometown, at my countryside, and Khmer chicken also. Yeah, listen the real sound at my chicken home.